Right. Okay, pretty sure we're live now. What's up, YouTube? $5.97. All right. First candle, we're going up. I think we have news today also. Let me see. Yeah, we have news today at 10 a.m. We have PMI. Yeah, I was eyeing the setup here off this inverse for longs, but like, obviously it's off open, pretty sketch. Would have played out pretty nice too, but way too much risk behind that. See after we take out this Asia high, how we react off this liquidity. We're just pumping. Oh my goodness. Let me see. This is a 129 point candle. Damn. My gosh. Took out this liquidity. Let me check ES really quick. ES also just took out this high. It's nothing high. It still hasn't taken out the Asia high though. So we kind of got an SMT here. ES took, or NQ took out this high. ES didn't. So let's see. Yo, what's up, Gianni? Let me screen share my chart. So I mean, we could work with this 1 minute. If this 5 minute doesn't hold, we can honestly work for a 1 minute for shorts. It's just that we don't really have a good risk to reward here on the 1 minute. I mean, even on the 5 minute when the 5 minute forms. So we gotta see. I'm gonna type this out just in case we do get this. So I'll mark this out just so I can see the levels really quick. Yeah, because like first PT is gonna be like 25 points or so. It's not really a good PT, but if we do have enough selling, we should be able to just completely inverse this. 2 5 5 for 7. Two, 5, 8. 75. Right now we're kind of pumping, so pretty sure it's gonna be. The picture. I'm just typing this up here, just in case if it does happen. ES, I think finally. Okay, ES is definitely taking out this high now. Yeah, we're just pumping, bro. We have no entries. As of right now, anyway, for longs. There was a setup off open, but nah, this is way too risky to take that. Alright, what if I take out this high here? Let's see. I mean, ES just took out the Asia high, so let's see if we reject off this, what the market wants to do here. This is kind of good because we're going to have a 5 minute for value gap now. I would prefer to trade the 5 minute if we do get shorts. Rather get that 5 minute than trade the 1 minute. Yeah, we're just pumping. We are not stopping. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think we might take out this high before we might get any rejection. Yeah, I mean, the only entry we have for longs is all the way up here, 170 points. The market's already pumped up, like, what, 180? So seeing another 170 plus it pumping even more past that, it's not impossible, just a little unrealistic. I can see us maybe taking out this high and then probably rejecting off it. And getting a liquidity sweep. Yeah, ES is holding bearish now. Well, it's kind of still deciding what it wants to do. And we also have news at 10 a.m., which is PMI. we're holding back bullish. Yeah, I think we're probably gonna take out this high before we reject back down. Let's see what the market wants to do. So I mean, if anything, like if we pump up even more, take out this high, we have a fair value gap here, and we could take shorts off this fair value gap, which would be so much better. I have 48 points before our price target. So if we pump up just a little more and take out this high, honestly wouldn't be so bad. But that's just if this fair value gap holds. Don't just sell off. Yeah, I think that's what might happen, not gonna lie. Honestly would prefer if that happened over just us dumping now, because even if we dump now, we're gonna have to wait 148 points for shorts. So it'd be nice if we just go up, take this out, and we go down. We got a little earlier entry than having to wait that long. Like if we take this out, we'll only have to wait 64 points. Okay, we're gonna a little push up here. Alright, I'll take it this high. Dude, it's so close. No way we didn't take that out. Come on. Just a little more, a little more. That's crazy. I missed it by literally like a whole point and missed it. Let me make sure my YouTube is live and doing good. Let me check. Oh yeah. I think I gotta put my mic up a little bit on YouTube. Might be a little too low. This is better. Yeah, Johnny. You mind if you could check my YouTube? See if it sounds good. Like, I'll send it to you in DMs. I mean, I have a delay on it, so you won't hear like right now. But do you think it sounds too low there? Dang, there's no way we didn't take out this high. I really wanted us to take this out. I hope we pump back up and take it out. Come on. Take it out, take it out. ES is about to take it out too. So, ES and NQ are kind of aligned right now. It's pretty good. No SMTs. it's super low. Alright, yeah, let me put up a little bit then. Alright, I think that should be good. I gotta check again later. Okay, we just took out this high, finally. So, now if we hold below, but we didn't take it on ES though. So there's a little bit of an SMT right there. So let me mark this out really quick, just in case if we just start selling off. First PT is gonna be at here. I gotta type this out really quick. Where is my thing? Okay, here we go. Mickey Shorts. 2668. Yeah, 668. Um, 668.75. Stop loss is gonna be at 703.75. PT1 is gonna be at this low right here before we get into fair value gap. So like 6.25, 619, 50. I mean, we don't really have another PT. Besides that, I mean, just have to target this low. Maybe we could target like the session low right here. New York low. I feel like we go lower though, but I'll adjust that in a second. I mean, it's best to just take out most of your contract. Honestly, 50 points isn't that bad. Not too shabby. 25, 539, 75. PT3. That's if we get any selling. I mean, hopefully we do very soon, because another thing is, if we don't sell off soon, we have, this is going to turn into a 15-minute fair value gap in 12 minutes. So, you know, the longer it takes, and we also have news at 10, so we'd have to get this trade before 10 o'clock. Or even, not even before 10, like, pretty soon. If not this, the longer this takes, the more riskier the setup gets. I do really like the setup though. So if we're able to flip this candle from green to red and just sell off, really do like it. ES also just got into a gap and took out the high, so it honestly validates the setup even more. ES just has a lot of fair value gaps, but I mean, if we have enough selling, we should be able to just go straight through them. So yeah, let's see if we get a liquidity sweep or we just keep pumping. I mean, we've already pumped so much, the buyers should be getting exhausted pretty soon. We've pumped 200 points since open. So let's see. I really like the setup. It just needs to happen pretty soon, because if it takes too long, it's gonna become way too risky and invalid. So yeah, I'd say if this trade doesn't, I mean, we realistically have until 10, but like if it's like 9:50, it's like 9:57, 9:58, and this setup still hasn't played out, I'll probably just set it out. So it'd be way too risky. Looks like we're just pumping. That's crazy. It's just one of those days, I guess. We're just gonna pump. I mean, the only setup we have for longs is on ES, but I don't really be trading ES like that. I don't like trading ES. It might be one of those days we stay cash. I mean, hopefully not. I mean, I guess. Let me see. Okay, we're just ripping through all these liquidities now. Yeah, so we have another for value. Well, it's not formed yet because we need to wait for this candle to close, but we have another for value up right here, so we could even get a earlier entry for shorts, which PT is even better. I mean, it's kind of like the same thing, to be honest, like 50-point price target. It's not bad, you know. I'll take it 100%. Don't complain. Let me check ES really quick. ES, we just inversed the gap. So let's see how we react off this. Let me check my YouTube really quick. I think it should have been 6 minutes already. My mic should be updated, so let me see if it's good. Yo, Gianni, could you check my YouTube again? Cause I can't really tell if it's too low or not. I think I just have to put it higher. I'm not gonna lie. I put it like here. And this. Yeah, I think like this is good. Put it up a little more. So now I gotta wait another 6 minutes. Yeah, because now we're gonna have this big ass 15-minute for value gap at 10 o'clock. So, and we have news at 10 as well. So, honestly, we're gonna have to sit down some trades now. So we gotta wait now until 9:55 for the fair value gap to even be valid, and then, I mean, if we get really strong selling, then we could take shorts off this. But like, you're still on YouTube. All right, bet. I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna put it out like max. So should be good. Shit, let me see. What was I gonna do? Okay, yes. Oh wait, no, I was gonna do this. Oops. Okay. Just in case if this setup does happen, set this up for 767. 75. First PT is gonna be at 68.3.0. And honestly, I'll probably just target here for final PT. I'm not gonna 25 619. That's the thing. This is in the 15-minute. Yeah, it is. So it's like oof. So the thing, like, we don't really have another price target until like at this point. It's gonna be a big 15-minute, so it's gonna literally just be like this. So I guess PT would be like down here, like 193. That's like, I mean, it's possible, but sellers would just have to be super strong. I wouldn't say it's impossible because I've definitely seen it before. So honestly, wouldn't be surprised. Alright, candle just closed, so let's see what this next candle does. ES is still holding bullish, but NQ's holding bearish because we're holding under this liquidity here. So our bias is bearish on Q. But ES and NQ are kind of following each other. So if NQ drops, ES should drop with it. Is this a fair value gap? Nope. Okay. I mean, this is the only setup we really have, unless we keep pumping. And we have this inverse that we could take right here, but it's just the market's gonna be really overbought. Like we're gonna be bought up already, like 259 points per hour right now. If we inverse that, it's gonna be 340 points. We have a 1 minute inverse. Where? Oh, this one. I mean, yeah, we do. You definitely do get an earlier entry. It's just, I mean, honestly, it could work. It's just that we have the 5 minute literally right under it, so that's the issue with the 1 minute. So I'm definitely gonna just wait for this 5 minute, because I mean we're still getting like a 50-point PT. I'd rather be safe than sorry. You know, because we could definitely bounce off this 5 minute, and you know, yeah, it's definitely not worth. Dude, yo, Twinkie, did you see those the setup that you were telling me about for longs? Dude, if we would have took that, look at this. You'd be up like 200 points, bro. It's just, dude, it was way too risky. It was very off open, and we just ripped. Like, I would have liked if we like went down, took out a low, and then went back up, or something. You know, like maybe even like bounce off this for value gap. But we just instantly like just ripped up. Like we had no. Oh, Davide. He's a little locked in, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade the 1 minute, bro. I'm sorry, especially with the 5 minute here. I mean, you know, for him, with enough selling, we should just rip through this 5 minute anyway, like butter. So doesn't really matter. But let's see, we're getting some selling pressure now. So entry's gonna be at 732, 75. So let's see. We gotta lock in. Have you mouse over the sell button, guys? Sizing was 6 contracts today, so 6 micros. Okay, we just inverse, and we just wait for a hold below this inverse. Yep, look, we're getting that little pullback. So just wait, guys, do not enter yet. Gotta wait for a good hold. We're also getting this rejection. It's pullback right now because ES just tapped into a fair value gap. Actually, no, this is not a fair value gap. I have the 15 minute marked. Oh, we have news in literally 1 minute as well. Oof. In 20 seconds. Yeah, we should probably wait. Wait for PMI to come out, and then after like the market settles down, we enter. PMI is about to come out in 8 seconds, so we gotta be careful here. Yep, look at that. Oof. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's wait for the market to calm down a little bit. Let me look at the news. What it come out as? PMI came out as bullish. Came out pretty bullish actually. Let's see how the market reacts though. I mean, we're in a bearish trend right now. Not bearish trend. We're in a bullish trend, but we have a bearish bias right now for shorts. So let's see. Get the MSS model and liquidity sweep off this high here. Still waiting, guys. If we don't continue down off this candle, this trade isn't even worth it to take. So we need to go down on this candle. Bro, Twinkie, you entered that, bro? No, bro, no way. Wait, did you actually? Did you enter off the 1 minute? Bro, no, dude. When we have news like that, you can't do that, man. I know you probably forgot, but man. News, and we didn't even get a hold. We didn't even get a hold under the Ferrari gap. Like it literally only pumped like 5 points. Not even. I mean, it literally pumped and then dumped and then just went back up. Gotta wait for that hold, bro. Yeah, look at that. We're kind of rejecting now. I mean, dang, man, I really like this setup as well. I really, really did like this setup. Dang, bro. No way. Alright, it's all good. I mean, if it's one of those days that we're just gonna pump up. I mean, we do have this inverse up here. We just need to still see strong buying. It's just buyers look like they're exhausted already. I mean, took out this high, instantly got a DOL sweep, inverse this gap, but the news came out. So, I mean, we gotta see if the candle, if we can get a green to red flip here and just sell off, it'd be pretty nice. Yeah, it looks like we're just gonna pump back up. Alright, wait, let me check my YouTube and make sure now that my audio sounds good. Okay, I think it looks it sounds good, I think. 5 liquidities to the upside taken out. Yeah, I know, bro. I guess it's just one of those days that we're just gonna pump up, you know, it just happens. It's either we start pumping or like we're gonna pump up again or we're gonna start chopping. I mean, it's either or. It might just be one of those days we stay cash. I mean, I really did want to get. I really wanted this setup. Like I really did like this setup. Not gonna lie. It looks like we're just gonna pump. Like this market, bro. Um, let's see. Let's see what the market wants to do. I mean, we also have a fair value gap in ES we're getting into now very soon. Alright, let's scratch this idea for now. Or forever now. I mean, we already inversed the gap. It's invalid now. Let me see what the price target even would be for this. 50 points. It's actually not that bad. It's just like, yeah, we're in a bullish trend and everything, but it's like, you know, you follow the trend, you know, with our setups, but it's like we've already pumped up 276 points. It's going to be 345 points when we reach this inverse. It's like, are we still going to keep pumping up after that? Like, that's the only thing that's like kind of scary about this setup, you know? It's like if we start chopping, I mean, we still have pretty good volume right now, I'm not going to lie. We're still pumping up. I'm going to say not going to lie again. I'm saying the same word too many times. This is not, yeah, it's not fair value gap. Yeah, I mean, I guess if we keep pumping, I mean, the setup is there. It's just if the volume is still good, then I'll definitely take it. But if volume starts dying down or like it starts getting a little questionable, I'm just gonna stick cash today. It's not even worth it. Let me see NQ longs. I'm just gonna have this set up just in case if it happens, because honestly, this is the only setup I'm really interested for today anymore. So if this doesn't really play out, I'm not really gonna take anything else. Probably. I don't know. We'll see. Unless we got some crazy selling. We never know. We never know with this market. PT1 is gonna be at 934. 25, 934, and PT2 is gonna be at 25, 940. Yeah, I mean, we just target these two highs. I mean, we could also target this. You see 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, it's also a 4-hour high, so we could reject off this one pretty good. Yeah, I'll definitely just target this. Sorry, guys. 873 inverse. It's 883.75 inverse. It's this fair value gap right here. So yeah, we're holding above this liquidity, so our bias is bullish. You know, we take out this inverse, or we inverse it and just keep going higher. I mean, this is the only red candle we've had on the 5-minute. It's crazy. Every single candle has been a green candle. So I'm just kind of scared. Like, I'm not scared. It's like I just don't know about like how much more this market could really pump up. You can also take shorts. Like if we do somehow, some way, just start rejecting. I mean, ES is also taking out some highs, and it's about to tap into a fair value gap. So we definitely could reject and go down off that. But we have this fair value gap right here. Which PT would be pretty good for shorts. Just I don't really know. I don't know. We gotta wait and see. Wait and see. Come on. Yes, it's about to take out this other high over here. Is this really a high? Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, this is an Asia high. It's about to take out an Asia high from, when was this? From last week Thursday. So let's see. It's either we just keep pumping or we're gonna start chopping soon, or we dump. I mean, could be either or. We just gotta see what the market does. It's only 10:10 right now, so we still got some time. If the market does sell off, the setup's gonna be really quick. So, let me see how many Let me see how many points we got. We're like 46 points away from entry for shorts. We're kind of like in the midpoint of both of these setups. 65 points for longs, 49 points for shorts. So either could work. I'm fine with taking either as long as volume is still good. Yeah, that's the only thing that matters. As long as we have momentum and volume, I'll take it. My gosh. Let's see. Yeah, because the reason why shorts would be valid is because we're going to be holding under this liquidity. So if we're holding under this liquidity, it's a DOL sweep, inverse this gap. We have our inverse, so our bias is going to be bearish, and we inverse a bullish candle, so or a bullish for value gap. I mean, but we definitely just got a red to green flip, and we are kind of pumping. So let's see. We're like 40 points away from entry now for longs. I do like this setup. I think we still have some good volume. I mean, it's alright. The previous candle was still good. Yeah, I mean, we've had good volume. So as long as this candle continues the momentum and the volume, this setup should be pretty valid. I really do like this setup. Yes, it's about to tap into a fair value. Or actually, no, it's been in the fair value gap. So let's see. Let's see how we react off this. 883.75 is gonna be entry. Might do 10 contracts. Honestly, bro, I mean, we have a good price target. I don't think you should oversize like that. I mean, obviously, you know, you risk on what you want to risk. But we do have a pretty good price target, so you could definitely flip from red to green and get a little bit of profit if you hold for this PT. You know, but obviously, you know, it's you size what you want. It's just never good to over risk, you know. We're about to get this inverse as well, so get ready to press the buy button, guys. Dang cough, bro. My goodness. Alright, ES. We just took out this high now on ES. This Asia high, so if we keep pumping, I mean, nothing really stopping us. I mean, we also have another liquidity on ES, a 4-hour high, like 5 points, which will also be the midpoint of this for value gap. But I mean, if we have really good buying, so this looks pretty good, and we're about to get this inverse actually. So hold on, let me lock in. All right. Get ready, guys. We're 20 points away from entry. Just have your mouse over the buy button. Yeah, we're getting a lot of buying right now. This is really good. Let me make sure there's no news coming on or something. Yeah, we're good. All right. Alright, look at this buying. Oof. Let me check yes. Alright, yes, it's doing good. Alright, 83. Sorry about the cough, guys. It's good that we're getting this pullback now. So, you know, we flipped this candle from red to green. We shouldn't have any pullbacks. It's really healthy that we're getting this pullback now instead of like when we enter. This is I really do like this setup. Yeah, let's see if we get this red to green flip here. This would be super, super nice. Whew. So cold, man. This freaking winter storm got me going crazy. Alright. Let's get that little red to green flip. Come on. Trade alerts. Wait, I didn't even put the. Oh yeah, I didn't put the little decimal for the PTs. Alright. Alright, we're about to get that red to green flip, guys. Get ready. On buyers take step in pretty good here. Alright, look at that. Beautiful red to green. Alright, about to inverse now. Very soon. We still have an inverse, guys. Have your mouse over the buy button, guys. Okay, we just inverse now. Let's see if we can hold. We gotta hold above the fair value gap. Let's see. Dude, I'm so locked in. I'm so locked in, man. It's freaking. This candle. Just gotta pump up. Come on. Gotta give a low pump. I really do like this setup. Let me see ES really quick. Okay, ES is. Oh, okay. I look at ES and we start pumping. Alright, hold on, lock in. I'm not in yet, guys. Hold on. Alright, I'm in longs. Let me put my stop loss at 848.75. Alright, PT is gonna. First PT is gonna be up here at 934. Alright, so let's see. Getting some really good buying here, guys. Beautiful pump, beautiful. Two, 5, 8, 8, 8. take a screenshot of this. Oh wait, no, copy image. Go. Let me adjust this really quick. 888. Yeah, like this, and stop loss is at 48.50. Just put it there. All right. How many points have we seen since entry? We've seen about 29 points. For my entry, I've only seen 23. So let's see this candle flips from red to green here. Get a red to green flip and we just pump up. Be super nice. Nice, beautiful red to green flip. Come on. Man, I really like this setup. Just need a little red to green flip here, guys. Red to green flip would be super nice. Yeah, yes, we took out this high, but we're kind of... it's kind of like holding them both. It's kind of like going through bearish and bullish. Alright. Beautiful red to green, guys. We just need to continue that buying pressure. We keep flipping from red to green, but it keeps going back to red. So I have a minute left in this candle. Let me see. Okay. Okay, getting some nice buying here, guys. I want us to break above this high here and just pump up. Okay, we just inverse this gap that we had here. So that gap's invalid now. And a lot of selling. Let's see, we use this candle, 36 points. Also for that gap right here. Okay. Need a beautiful red to green flip here. If we get a red to green flip, whew, we're gonna pump up like crazy. Alright, this next candle just opened. Yeah, we're just gonna have to hope that we bounce off this for value gap that we're in right now. Yeah, I did Twinkie at 7,000, 7,250. I did take out that high on ES. Okay. No, yeah, thank you. We did take out that high on ES. We also were in a for value up as well. See if there's any news coming out or something. Why we're selling off so much here. Yeah, no news. It's no more price action. I know, Twinkie. Bro. I don't want to say anything. Gotta wait. Gotta wait for the trade to finish and then we can say whatever. Bro, Gianni, what are you sending, bro? Amen, Twinkie. Hopefully, man, praise God, this trade goes our way, man. I got stopped. I got stopped, so I hope trade. Yo, Johnny, chill, bro. Bro, if you got stopped, you didn't do the same stop loss I did. You gotta do the same stop loss. It's not the same trade if you don't do the same stop loss. You know, if it's like too much for risk, you just size down. Just do like one contract less. You got like a yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Just size down. That's what I did. I used to do 7 contracts. Now I'm doing 6. you size down one because you're still risking the same. You're just with a bigger stop loss. I didn't enter on my new account. Only top step. Okay. But you forgot to trade on your Apex. Oh goodness. Sorry guys. Nah, for real, Twinkie. I mean, bro, hopefully, we get out of drawdown and we go straight up would be super nice. I'm hoping this is just a pullback, because obviously the market needs to do pullbacks. Because look, bro, we pumped up so much. I mean, we had this little pullback here. I mean, I wouldn't say little. This is like 60, almost 60 points. But, we kept pumping up. Every single candle was green. So, like, now they're getting red candles. And if we reject, if we just keep going up. My gosh, I keep stuttering. Up off this fair value gap. I mean, bro, let it be God's will. I really still have faith in this trade. I really do believe that we're gonna go higher. It's just, I think this was just a pullback. We pumped up so much. It's like, since this pullback here, we pumped up 183 points. So, like, the market needs to do another pullback. It's going to. Oh yeah, Twinkie, I know. Yes. Yeah, but look, now we're pumping. Yeah, look at this. Alright, I'm definitely going to take trims off of this high right here at 912. I'm going to take some trims there just to secure some profits. I'm not going to take too much off. I'll take like half of my position out. At 912. And look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Come on. Yeah, ES is holding bullish now as well. We're holding above the liquidity. This is really good. Finally out of drawdown. Yeah, so 912 guys, I'm gonna take some trims. 912.25. I know it's not PT, but like, with this drawdown and how we kind of slowed down a lot there, I'm definitely gonna see to take some profits here. Twinkie, it's up to you. I can't tell you what to do, I mean, dude, if you're in with 10 contracts, you only need like 30 points to flip back to green, or to break even at least. So it's 10 contracts for 30 points to 600 bucks. So I think I'm guessing you said you're down 500, so you'll still be up like 100 bucks if you take it all out at how much. Oh my gosh. Dude, we're so close to this high, bro. Like, come on. We need a red to green flip here. If anyone's watching on the YouTube, I have my Discord in the bio if you guys want to join. It's completely free. You just click the link that's in the bio. If you guys want more trading content, and we also got the premium with live trades, no delays, trade alerts, and everything. Dude, the red candle of doom, bro. What's going on? 35 points. Yeah, if we're able to flip this candle from red to green, that would be insane. Be super, super nice. And I'm honestly really surprised we did not keep bumping up after we went back up here. That's crazy. Come on, market. Let's just pump up. I would think at least like we'd keep pumping up until at least we take out this high, like at 940. You know, it's a 4-hour high, it's a 1-hour high, it's a multi-time frame high. I feel like the market would want to at least go for that. If we're gonna pump up this much, like look at this. We're gonna pump up this much. I feel like it would want to at least go for this, you know. Yeah, we have no more news for the rest of the day. I think we only had PMI for the day. Yeah, we had PMI. So. Bro, Chris. Yeah, dude, I saw the shorts. I break even though, getting 300. That's good, bro. At least your break even. It's better to be break even than lose money. Your P&L's turning blue. He has blue balling us, bro. Like, dude, we almost stopped us out. Goes back up. Was gonna take trims at these highs and then just dump back down. Like. Tomorrow we can we can see continuation. I think we see ES all-time highs tomorrow. Wait, how close is ES? Oops, I accidentally opened. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I have this on my bar. Take that off. Let me see ES. Oh yeah, we're not that far from all-time highs actually on ES. 47 points. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like NQ's gonna want to at least take out this high right here, because it's a 4-hour high and a 1-hour high. You know, we've been pumping so much. I'm just scared we're gonna start chopping. So I'm hoping is not gonna happen. But we really need this candle to turn red to green and just pump up. I'm still in this dang trade. It's like if I would have took trims here, it'd only be 18 points. At least here it's like 24. I mean, it's still not really like that good of a risk to reward, but with how the market's going, it's like I would have took trims there. Yeah, we're gonna dump down, but we have a huge 4-hour and 1-hour for value gap. Well, I mean, they're not even fair value gaps yet until 11 minutes. Yeah, I hope we see higher, you know. I just want us to take out, like, I want us to get above this high. I mean, ES literally went above the high too, so like that's why I thought we were gonna go up the high too, above like this candle high. But ES didn't and NQ didn't, so a little bit of an SMT there. But I just want to I want to get above this high, take some trims, and then just put my stop loss break even, let my runners run. But yeah, we first have to wait to go back up. Oh, and I got stopped out. Dang, dude, that was a crazy push down. Wow, it stopped me out on MNQ, but it didn't even go there on NQ. That's crazy. Look, on NQ we didn't even. Oh, actually, wait. I think I have my stop loss little. Oh yeah, because I don't have it correctly. Hold on. 48, 25. Yeah, I mean it still didn't hit it, but it's fine. Damn, bro, that sucks. Damn. Yeah, we're dropping now. Oh my gosh. And I guess today just isn't that day. Whew. I mean, bro, if we continue this pressure, I wouldn't mind taking shorts off this for value gap, but just depends, like, if we're actually able to have good volume and momentum. Bro, no way we reject off the bottom of the fair value gap. That'd be crazy. Imagine we actually just completely reject off this. That'd actually be insane. Yeah, I think we're just gonna start chopping now. To be honest, I mean, we kind of did like a McDonald's here. It's just unfortunate. As soon as we enter, it just starts chopping. Yeah, I mean, freaking 300 points pumped up. It's like, how much more can it really go? It's crazy. We just pumped with no intention of stopping today. Last guy stopped out twice today. Yeah, today wasn't really the best. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna trade anymore since, I mean, that was a pretty good setup. Didn't get respected, so it's probably just one of those days. It's just one of those days where the market just pumps up and, you know, just has no intention of stopping. And then now we're probably just gonna chop. But yeah, it's all good. I think tomorrow we have and we have news like this whole week, actually. Yeah, tomorrow we have George Jobs opening at 10 a.m. Wednesday we have PMI at 10 a.m. PMI again. Oh, it's PMI services. Thursday unemployment claims, NFP on Friday, and prelim. So yeah, this week should have pretty good volatility. Yeah, like I would like to take another trade, but it's just like, I'd rather just wait for tomorrow. Like we could take a continuation off this for value gap. Like right now would be a pretty good time to enter, like, or re-enter off this inverse, but oh no, the market can either do two things. We're either gonna start chopping or yeah, I mean, look, we've just been chopping. Up, down, up, down. I mean, we're kind of in a bearish trend here now, but lower highs and lower lows. Yeah, it's just one of those days. Oh, I forgot to put oh, I must put ES. Oopsie. Forgot I gotta put in the trade alerts. Hold on, guys. I gotta get a little screenshot. Yeah, I mean, another thing too is, yeah, we're overbought, and then plus ES, we're in the middle of that fair value gap, and we took out the liquidity that was in the fair value gap. Yeah, I'd say, oh, we're actually getting some selling now. Here, let me this here. Yeah, like even if we sell off with strong selling, like like this setup doesn't look bad. Oh my gosh, why did that? It didn't look bad. It's just like, it's just like we've already had so much volume, but now we're kind of selling off. Oh my gosh, I actually might take this. Not gonna lie, hold on. Let me look at ES really quick. Yeah, it's like we're selling off on NQ, but ES is not doing anything. It's kind of just standing there. Yeah, it's like if we sell off, we're gonna be under this liquidity, so our bias is gonna be bearish. We're getting a lot of selling right now too. Oh my gosh, 43 points. Let's see what the market does. If I like the volume, I'll take it. But I'm gonna write it up just in case if I do take this. Oops, 25,000. 19. PT1 is gonna be at this low right here. It's 56 points, not too shabby. I say 7 to 8, 25, 7 to 8, 50. And then final PT will just be this for retouches for value gap. So okay. 6, 9, 25, 6, 9, 8, 25. But yeah, this is just an idea. I don't know if I'm gonna take this 100%. Just gonna have it marked out. See how the market or the volume continues. It's already about to be 11 o'clock, so volume could start slowing down a lot here. And also, let me see ES. Yeah, ES is still like not really doing anything. Like ES is like way more choppy than NQ is. And then look, we just, I guess we did touch this for value gap, so we're kind of, well, okay, no, we actually have this whole thing is up for value gap. It's 15 minute. But yeah, see if the market can pick up some momentum. If there's no momentum, I'm not gonna trade this. Need volume and momentum. If we can't get either and we start chopping, I'm just gonna get off. And just trade tomorrow. Hold on, guys. I gotta use the bathroom really quick. I'll be right back. Alright, bye guys. Let me see the YouTube chat. I actually haven't opened up the YouTube chat. I think my audio's good on YouTube now. Let's put this on max. Yeah, it's like, look, keep these pullbacks. I think yes, it's probably, yeah. Well, yes, just tapped into this card. Oy. Oh man. Yeah, I already like those longs too. That sucks. I mean, we still have pretty good volume. It's alright. It's not that bad. ES is definitely getting some selling pressure now. So, a little bit. Definitely better than what it was before. So I'll definitely be open for shorts. Yeah, we're getting some sell. I really do like this because like we're getting continuous selling as well. I mean, let me check ES really quick. Let me see. Yeah, ES is in this fair value gap. Once it inverses this, there's nothing really in the way. Yeah, there's nothing in the way until down here. So the setup's looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. How many points is this? This is 56 points. Not bad for the first PT. I don't have my... No. Where's... That's like, oh, this kind of like 20 points, no, 30 points. Okay. Yeah, I'll give the market like it's like 11:20, and if it's not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna get off. I mean, honestly, doesn't really look like we're doing anything. Yeah, I really would have liked to take that long off open, but man, that was way too risky. Way too risky. Now we have this big old fair value gap here. How big is this? 193 points. That's crazy. $193 fair value gap, like dang. Yeah, I don't know. This market, the longer it takes, it makes me just not want to take this even more. Alright. I'm gonna give it 9 more minutes and see what the market does. If nothing happens, just gonna get off for the day. Let me take this out so it's not confusing. You can see what the market wants to do here. I think ES is also just chopping, yeah. Yeah, like it just, like, look at the 15-minute. Alright, at least, okay, it doesn't look as bad as how ES looks. ES really just looks sideways. Hopefully tomorrow is gonna be pretty good. Make everything we lost back and even more. Gotta take our money back from the market. I'd be like Tifu, be like, this isn't right. This is bullshit. It's not fair. I'm really surprised we did not take out these highs. Like, honestly, with how volume was going and everything, I would have at least expected us to take this out before we just started doing this. Like, I knew we were going to do this, but, like, not yet. This market's full of surprises. We're pumping back up. Yeah, guys, it doesn't seem like the market's gonna really do anything. Look at this candle we just had. Freaking 15 points. We've just been kind of in this same range here, so it's honestly it's not even worth trading. Yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow on the charts. Alright, anyone on YouTube, you can join the Discord in the bio for free. We got the premium, which is no delayed alerts, no delay trading live. And yeah, just join the link in the bio. See you guys tomorrow.